So today I will show you how to fill Thailand arrival card, TDAC. So as per the new guidelines, as you can see from May 1st, 2025, all non-Thai travelers entering Thailand must complete the TDAC, which you have to apply 72 hours before you're traveling. So I will tell you how to do that step by step. First, you have to go to this website, tdac.immigration.go.th. I will mention in the video description for your help. So you will see this website. Just click on arrival card, or if you already feel you have to click here, you can update afterwards. Just click on it. Then you have to fill their basic information. No documents required, only your passport details. What's your name, the first name? Sorry, that's my last name. Your family name, that was your last name, that's which is in the passport. Then your first name. If you have any middle name, fill it here. If not, just leave it. Now here are your passport details. I'm filling everything dummy to tell you what you have to do. Now your citizenship, you know you already. Then your personal information, your date of birth, your occupation, if you do job or business, you mention it. Gender male, visa number again, your country residence, the city residence. Everything is mentioned on your passport. Phone number, and click on continue. Then you have to fill your trip information, date of arrival. If you are just going on 17 but you're landed on 18, so you have to fill 18. Where you bought it, you can fill where city, like just if I'm flying from India, I will fill it here, India. Purpose of travel, according to you. For all three by air, land, sea. Mode of transport, commercial flight, flight number, date of departure, mode of travel air, mode of transport, commercial flight, flight number, L234. It's pretty easy, but make sure you don't make any mistakes. You have to fill it again, which is a waste of time, you know. If you're transiting to Thailand, you have to click it here or you can leave it. Just click on continue. Just if you're traveling from other country or you have to fill accordingly here, like please the name of countries where you stayed within 2 weeks before arrival. Just like I'm traveling from India, 2 weeks I'm also in India, so only one country. Then you have the last chance to preview what you filled. Can preview or edit if you missed something. The main thing is your Gmail ID, which should be correct, where you will get your PDF or information. Make sure you will fill it correctly. Okay, accept, agree, and submit. Confirm. You can open the card in your new tab or you can download it. So form look like this. Carry it whenever you travel to Thailand. So, and any doubts you have, please ask. I'm happy to help. Keep traveling, guys. Thank you.